one more thing. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. From what's on the workbench today, you can probably guess that I'm working on the Cafe Racer. So when I started the build on the motorcycle, I wasn't really thinking about fenders. I didn't really have a plan for that, but after thinking about it, I really don't want to get stuff kicked up on my back when I'm riding, so I thought about putting a rear fender on at least. And I was looking at a couple, like maybe buying one, but then I went to the garage and kind of looked around to see what I had. And this is the old fender. So it's a giant plastic ugly fender with a giant ugly tail light on it. But when I inspected it, I saw that on the underside there's a metal support that's actually already kind of shaped to be a fender, so I might try to take that off and make this into a fender itself. So that's the plan for today, is we're going to unbolt this support from the actual fender that came on the bike originally, and we'll see what we can do with it. So let's get to work. The accident here into this one of them near Pennsylvania. In that crash, 20-year-old Michael Butler driving home from work. So here's the support that I got from the fender. It looks pretty clean underneath. I think it's made out of aluminum, but it looks like it's in really good condition. So my plan for this is to just mount it back onto the end of the hoop here like it was stock. I still have the hoop detached from the bike. So hopefully it'll just bolt up like this and it'll fit under the seat and look really nice. So right now I think I'm just going to get it cleaned off and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so I kind of loosely bolted the fender to the back of the hoop so you can kind of see how it mounts, and it looks like it mounts pretty well. I just kind of loosely screwed it on so it's not tight or anything, but I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the motorcycle out so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on the back. So obviously this isn't exact because I haven't welded the hoop on, but this is kind of how it'll look. I think it looks pretty good. And the best part is it didn't really cost me anything because I just used an old part. Well, that's another piece of the Cafe Racer that's checked off the list. I'm really glad that's a usable piece. I guess the one thing to take away from this is you don't always have to go buy something. Sometimes it's just right in your garage. So yeah, I guess that's the lesson for this video, is use what you've got to your advantage. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, as always. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up because that really helps the channel out. And if you like my videos and want to see more, just hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and as always, enjoy the road.